Hi everyone, welcome to Super Hero's kitchen. So today I will making the chicken karaage. It's a very popular one. I'm using for the organic free-range chicken and soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, and then 1 tablespoon sake, and 1 teaspoon cooking sake mirin, and then grated ginger later, and then half teaspoon of the grated garlic. Yes. さあ今日はチキン唐揚げですね。これは皆さんおなじみのオーガニックの若鶏チキン、お肉で、こちらが醤油大さじ1で、酒大さじ1で、小さじ1みりんですね。で、あとは生姜と、こちらのガーリックを入れます。で、ここにあります。So I'm making the sauce together. First, I'm making a grated ginger. I'm using for the just only sauce, like a ginger juice. I need it. Ginger tastes like a freshness and tastes like a crisp. So I'm making the sauce mix all together. Ginger juice, squeeze in. Okay, just mix it. Okay, and after the mixed sauce, cut in the chicken cut in the 3 centimeter square. Cut it. So big one takes longer. So marinating the bowl in the chicken. So after marinating put in the fridge, is leave it for the 15 minutes about. 15分ぐらい寝かせますね。染み込ませますね。味を染み込ませます。Leave it 15 minutes and then for the mix massage. Mush, mush, mush. Okay. Now that. Okay, just leave it 15 minutes to the fridge. Okay, yes, so step 1 is finished. So next round, step 2 is cut off the juice and then mix potato starch and then deep fry. I will next step I'll show you how to deep fry the chicken karaage. Yes, okay. それではまた次のステップでお会いしましょう。今15分冷蔵庫に入れて寝かしてます。今度のステップは片栗粉を混ぜて揚げていきます。それでは Yes, so I came back for the 15 minutes. So this already tastes the seasoning in the just taste in the chicken. So if not too much, is a little bit juice out, sauce is out. Yeah, little squeeze in a little bit. But I'm not cutting everything. ちょっと適量だけ残してます。そしてだいたい適量ですね。こう適量大さじ4から5ぐらいでいいでしょうかね。だいたいアバウトで3でいいのかな。Oh, this is a potato starch. Yeah, in the mix. つけましたね。ちょっと多くなりましたが、はいでしょう。しっかりまぶしますね。味をつけます。じゃあ、というところでcoating of the starch. Okay, deep fry. This degrees I will try starting for the 160 to 180 starch with a little low heated. Chicken is a little bit thick, right? And then we must cook it all cook. So we don't want to put it all overcook. So I will do the technique for the twice cooking. First one cooking for the this degrees to the 3-4 minutes cooking first step, and then take it out. After 3-4 minutes, take it out for the second time. It's for a little put in a high heat, about 180 to 200 heated. That time, the second time cooking for a short time, like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Just outside, make it crispy. So right now is a low heated 160, 180 is slowly cooking. Put it inside is still juicy, so okay. So look at that, this is for the little yellow. So first one after 4 minutes, I told you, these are for the beginners cooking. So take it out, it already takes 4 minutes. So second one is a little more high heat, because still inside, outside a little still soft. So make it up for the for the inside juicy, outside crispy is good karaage. So after take out the oil is just leave it for the 5 minutes. 5 minutes for the little. It's naturally cooking. Just give it 5分ぐらい置きますね。Yes. Okay. この間にしてこの状態で just leave it 5 minutes and then I put here is for the little high to the finish is 190 to 200 a little high, so I think like 180 to 190 is a little hold up, make it outside crispy. This is already pre-cooked almost, and just leave it a little from heated for the inside to the cook slowly and then make it juicy. Okay, so just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will cook again, and then final process. Okay. So I finished it already after 5 minutes. So this process for the next high heat. The bigger one first. So this second time cooking for the outside and make it crispy. So that's why it's so high temperature. This time the cooking is so short time, like 1 minute or maybe 2 minutes. When it's outside and crispy, you just take it out. Smells good. いい匂いがしてきました。唐揚げの匂いですね。美味しいですね。唐揚げ is so good. For the many izakaya you can taste, but now is when you watch my video and then you can make it yourself. Yeah. It's a summertime coming soon, so chicken karaage with beer is so good. Even sake, chicken karaage, so good. So, yeah. So you can make it. Maybe I'll show you. Yes, it's good, right? And these are if you're doing the cook well to the takes long with the to overcook. It's just for the short time. It makes good. Like a brown color, rose color is good and crispy. Oh, nice. 出来上がりましたね。これでおな盛り付けていきます。上がりました。あ、このみたいな。This is salt pepper. Okay, then this is beside lemon. So if you like lemon to the lemon juice, it will make it. 出来上がりました。So today is cooking the karaage, the chicken karaage. So have a good dinner or lunch. Please try it. And thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give me the like. And please subscribe my video, please. Yeah. どうもご視聴ありがとうございました。もしよろしければいいねボタンと登録お願いします。チャンネル登録お願いします。それではまた来週。See you next week. Thank you, everyone. Bye now.